CFS and buy me some lunch, sometime I didn't have funds. The love and the commitment that he had was very powerful. So may enjoy soul rest in peace. Then we came to organize. Then the COVID came. After COVID came, then we said, no, now we should move away from disaster management. Remember that initially, this is called disaster management, more time. But it has to be disaster risk reduction. Disaster management is like IT, information technology. It's a subject on its own. Everyone has a role to play. We've got a brother from the cyber media who has worked very hard to make sure that our graphics are in place. That is his contribution towards the reduction. Everyone has a role to play. Graphics people must make sure that graphics are in place. That is why you see me, I stand up with my phone, I try to do a live, I try to reach out. I'm not trying to become a celebrity, but this message must get to the people. So that is why everyone has a role to play in disaster risk reduction. So it's very, very important that all organizations which are here come together and we see that we work together. By those words, I can say we face a lot of challenges. I don't have long because I can preach sometimes, you know. So I want to preach. So I'm very, very short, thinking of network and do other things. But what I'm trying to say is that as we grow, we are inviting for collaboration and partnership. We are under strength. We might look highly professionally, but we still have to do other things. The message for 2020 under disaster risk reduction, it says it is all about governance. What does governance mean? Governance means that a lot of NPOs, we undermine the governance in the NPOs. Someone comes in the NPO, he wants to steal from this NPO to the other NPO. You send someone to a meeting with an organization that is hiding. You create a platform and you say, go represent the organization. You find that the same person, still the information that he brings back there, he takes it to his own organization. That is crime. We have to deal away from those things. And it's why when we start fixing the issues of good governance, we will cover the aspect of the laws, ethics, who does what, where, reporting, structure, payment, who must be paid. We are tired of this volunteering without payment. Our volunteering must make payment, must be able to cover the bills, the water and everything. So we are calling for volunteers in our organization and our friends in the service production. We want to create 1 million jobs in Africa. That is our initial goal. How are we going to do it? Ask me today, how are we going to do that? It's very easy. 54 countries divided by 1 million. It gives you maybe 20,000 each country. Then 20,000 each country if you work with universities. If you establish the FIDR wing in the universities and you follow all the students in the universities, you already cover 20,000. You can create 20,000 employment showcase in one country. We're going to have the office in Addis Ababa.